Here's figure 1 asking us to find the area of the shape. Now remember, area is literally asking us how many squares, whether it's an inch by an inch or a centimeter by a centimeter or a mile by a mile, how many of those would fit in here? Now I could pick them up and place them right here. I could see, since this is 3 units tall, I could stack 3 of them and then go over 4 and do all this and that. But it's an odd shape, and we've learned all these formulas for area, but on an odd shape we have to actually think it through a little bit. Now, this isn't too hard of an odd shape. The first thing I want to do is, I notice this doesn't have a measurement, nor does this length have a measurement. So the first thing I want to do is find those out. Whether I need them or not doesn't matter. Your mind should be able to figure them out pretty quickly. If we look at vertical heights, from here all the way to the top is 7. That top to bottom is 7. Well, from here to here is 3. So we know, since these are all perfectly parallel to one another, if this to here is 3, and all the way up is 7, that means this part, this other vertical part, must be 4. Because if you go up 3 and then up 4, you've gone up that 7 right there. Now, all the way across is 7. Well, from here back is 4. So if here back is 7, here to here is 4, that leaves 3 up top there. That should be pretty easy to see, but sometimes we have a little problem with that. Those are our measurements. Now, in order to figure this out, we could go in and stick these boxes all in and figure it out, but let's just cut it into shapes. It doesn't matter whether you want to cut it across so that you have 2 rectangles, or cut it down so that you have 2 different rectangles. Excuse me. I'm going to go ahead and just cut it across right here. When I do that, I notice this length is 7 by 3. That means literally I'd have 7 going across like this, and you have them stacked by 3. So you'd have a 7 by 3, which means 21 square units would fit in there. Whether it's 21 square inches, 21 square miles, we don't know what we're using. But 21 square units would fit in here. Now the big mistake sometimes we do is go, oh, 3 times 7, so 21 here too. No. Make sure, notice that 7 got cut when we came across, so it got cut. Because you had 4 and 3 as your heights there, so the 7 got cut. So this measurement is 4 by 3, which means 12 fit in there. So 21 of these squares fit here, 12 fit here. You add them together, that's going to mean there's 33, I'm going to pretend it's centimeters, 33 squared centimeters would fit into that object, that odd shape. Again, find your missing lengths, cut it so that it's in 2 rectangles or 3 rectangles or whatever you need to, and then add up how many total squares fit into the shape. That'd be 33 right there. There you have figure 1.